These smoked chicken wings were insanely good. Perfectly crispy, smoky, and packed with flavor. My daughter and I couldn't get enough. Okay, so we're making chicken wings today. This is Paige's favorite meal. If you haven't heard of the 0 to 400 method on your smoker, you're missing out. And we're gonna do that right now. Get the chicken wings ready?
Uh-huh.
High five. Okay, now you're gonna take your paper towel. You're gonna start patting them dry, okay? You do that. I'll get some more. Up high. Yep. Hold it up. That's it. Just keep going until I say stop. There you go. All over. Paige, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Now this is very simple. All we're going to do is place the wings on a cold smoker. That's right, cold. No heat, just cold. Line them all up like you normally would any other time. It's very simple. You set your smoker to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and smoke them for 30 minutes. Now we're going to get into the barbecue sauce. We're going to start off with a couple cups of ketchup, a cup of maple syrup, and then half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Next up, a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of dry mustard powder, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and last but not least, a teaspoon of coarse black pepper. Now as you're mixing, you're just going to turn on your oven to medium heat and mix it on there for about 20 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, you're going to go check on the wings, you're going to flip them all over, and you're going to smoke for another 30 more minutes. Just listen to the sound that they're making when they're coming off the grill. They sound so crispy and so well done. They look amazing. Pretty good. You hear this? Listen to that. That's crispy. Now this is my favorite part, is saucing these things up. Put as much of that sauce on as you want. I like them really saucy. And you're gonna toss them around and mix them really well. I can tell you the anticipation was killing us. We couldn't wait to bite in. If you're into easy, delicious barbecue recipes like this, hit the subscribe button and join me every week for more recipes the whole family will love.